Cyclo Therapeutics incorporated up 54% today. With latest news catalyst, Cyclo Therapeutics presents positive data from Phase 3 NPC-1 sub-study. Written by RTTNews. Cyclo Therapeutics Incorporated on Friday announced promising preliminary data from its ongoing Phase 3 Transport NPC study, evaluating Trapsol Cyclo for the treatment of Niemann-Pick disease type C1 or NPC1 in pediatric patients under the age of 3. The study is the first to provide data on the treatment of this age group, a critical patient population suffering from a rare and progressive neurodegenerative disease. The results show that a significant majority of patients in the study demonstrated stabilization or improvement in clinical assessments, suggesting the potential for Trapsol Cyclo to slow disease progression when administered early in the disease course. Key findings from the preliminary data. At 24 weeks, 87% of patients showed stabilization or improvement on the Clinical Global Impression Change or CGIC scale. At 48 weeks, 86% of patients demonstrated stabilization or improvement in the CGIC scale. Clearance of lipids was consistently observed both centrally and systemically, with the treatment showing promise for addressing the visceral aspects of NPC1. Adverse events or AEs were generally mild or moderate, consistent with findings from earlier studies, with 77% of events being mild and 22% moderate. Of 107 reported AEs, only one severe adverse event was recorded, and no serious adverse events or SAEs were deemed related to the study drug. The safety profile of Trapsol Cyclo aligns with previous studies, with the majority of AEs being mild or moderate in nature. Importantly, the treatment was well tolerated, and no SAEs were linked to the study drug. These results build on the growing body of data supporting Trapsol Cyclo as a potentially effective treatment for NPC1, particularly in its early stages. The company continues to collect data from the study, with top-line results expected in H1 2025. Cyclo Therapeutics plans to submit marketing applications for Trapsol Cyclo based on the 48-week interim data, pending statistical significance. The ongoing study represents a key milestone in the development of treatments for NPC1, a rare genetic disease with no approved therapies. The company remains optimistic about the potential of Trapsol Cyclo to provide a much-needed treatment option for patients with NPC1 and will continue to monitor the efficacy and safety of the treatment through its ongoing trials. Cyclo Therapeutics is also progressing with regulatory submissions for the drug in multiple regions, including the US and EU, and remains committed to advancing treatments for rare and challenging diseases. Cyclo Therapeutics Incorporated is a clinical-stage biotechnology company. The company's Trapsol Cyclo, an orphan drug designated product in the United States and Europe, is the subject of 4 formal clinical trials for Niemann-Pick disease type C1, a rare and fatal genetic disease. The company is also engaged in conducting a Phase 2b clinical trial using Trapsol Cyclo intravenously in early Alzheimer's disease based on encouraging data from an expanded access program for Alzheimer's disease.
Please like the video and subscribe to Hot Stocks Replay. Thanks.